Did you know there's a bird that can hammer a tree over 20 times per second without getting a headache? Meet the woodpecker. This incredible bird uses its strong beak to drill into trees, searching for insects hidden beneath the bark. But here's the amazing part. Its skull is specially designed to absorb shock, protecting its brain from thousands of pecks every day. Some woodpeckers can peck more than 12,000 times in a single day. Their long, sticky tongues help them pull insects out of tiny holes deep inside the wood. Nature is full of amazing creatures. Follow for more incredible bird facts, and comment woodpecker if you'd love to see one in the wild.